Good morning, students. So, in previous class, we are discussing about the independent events. Okay, based on independent events, to solve some more problems. Now, here problem number 12. Let us continue. Same concept, that is independent event concept. Problem number 12 says, look here. Two balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black balls and 8 red balls. Now the question is, find the probability that, first question, both balls are red balls. Second question, find the probability that first ball is black and second ball is red. Third question, find the probability that one of them is black, other is red. One of them is black, other is red means suppose first ball is black and second ball is red, or first ball is red and second ball is black. That is two options. First ball is black, second ball is red, or first ball is red and second ball is black. If they are independent events. Okay, look here. Let S is the sample space consisting of how many black balls? Now there are 10 black balls, right? How many red balls? 8 red balls. Okay. Now therefore total number of balls is 18. 10 plus 8, 18. Okay. Now here let A stands for red balls. Okay. B stands for black balls. Black balls. Now total number of red balls is how much? That is 8. Total number of black balls is 10. Okay. Therefore, what is probability of red ball? Number of favorable case divided by total balls. That is number of favorable case is 8. Total balls is 18. That is 2 4s are 2 9s. Similarly, probability of black ball. Number of favorable cases and their outcomes. Black ball is 10. Outcome is 8. Simplify. 2 5s are 2 9s. Right? Now, first question. Find the probability that both balls are red. Probability that both balls are red. Both balls are red. That is P of red ball denoted by A. Both balls are red. A intersection A. Isn't it? Now by definition of independent events, how to write? P of A into P of A. Isn't it? Okay. Now what is P of A? 4 by 9 into again P of A 4 by 9. 4 4s are 16. 9 9s are 81. So that probability of both balls are red is 16 by 81. Second question. Find the probability that first ball is black. First ball is black and second ball is red. Second ball is red. That is probability that first ball is black, B, and intersection. Second ball is red. Red ball denoted by A. Now by definition of independent event, P of B into P of A. What is probability of B? 5 by 9. What is probability of A? 4 by 9. Right? So 5 4s are 20 divided by 9 9s are 81. So that probability of first ball is black and second ball is red. That is 20 by 81. Right? Whereas third question, find the probability that one of them is black. One of them is black and other is red. That is probability that first ball is black and second ball is red. This is one way. Or probability that first ball is red and second ball is black. ये बोला ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ ನಾನು. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ರೆಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಲ್ ರೆಡ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್. That is options 2. Okay, so that is probability of first ball is black and second ball is red, or probability that first ball is red and second ball is black. So mathematically how to write? Probability that first ball is black, B, and intersection second ball is red, A, or union, that is plus. Okay, another option, first ball is red, that is red denoted by A, and intersection second ball is black, B. Now by definition of independent events, P of B into P of A plus P of A into P of B, right? So totally 2 times P of A into P of B, isn't it? Same about it. P of A into P of B plus P of A into P of B, 2 times P of A into P of B, that is 2 times P of A is ನೋಡಿ. What is probability of A? 4/9. What is probability of B? 5/9. So 4/9 into 5/9, right? So simplify. 5 4s are 20, 20 2s are 40, divided by 9 9s are 81. So probability of one of them is black and other is red is 40 divided by 81. Clear, students? Oh. Yes, one more problem, that is playing card problem. One card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards, totally 52 playing cards. Now the question, in which of the following cases are the events E and F independent? You know the definition of independent, that is P of E intersection of is equal to P of E into P of F. Okay, now first question, sub question, E stands for the card drawn is a spade. F stands for the card drawn is an ace cards. Second question, E stands for the card drawn is a black. F stands for the card drawn is a king. Third question, E stands for the card drawn is a king or queen, whereas F stands for the card drawn is a queen or jack. So among these 3 questions, which are independent, which are dependent, you have to check it. Okay, before solving the problem, you must know the concept of playing cards. Already you learned in first PU. Just I will recall. So remember, there are 52 playing cards. Remember, 52 playing cards. Now 52 playing cards divided by 4 parts. Each part contains 13 cards, isn't it? Divided by 4 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 13 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 52 playing cards divided by 4, it will become 13 cards. Now that 13 card one set, that is known as one suit. This is another suit. This is another suit, and that is also one suit. Totally how many suits? 4 suits. In one suit contains 13 playing cards. How many suits? 4 suits. Okay. Now there are 13 plus 13, 26 black color cards. Another 2 suits are red color cards. And ಎರಡು ಸೂಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ತವು, ಇನ್ನೆರಡು ಸೂಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವು? 26. ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 26. Now there are 4 shapes. 4 shapes like this. This is one shape. This is another shape. This is another shape. This is another shape. That the shape of that card, this is known as what? That flower shape. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Spade cards. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾರ spade. This is leaf ಆಕಾರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is club. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? club. Okay. Then that heart shape ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is heart shape cards. This is diamond card. So heart shape and diamond, those 2 cards are red cards. Now spade and club are black cards. I think this is spade or that one is spade. This spade agutte, this spade agutte. This is club, I think. This is club card. This is spade, yes. Okay, so there are four shapes, namely club, spade, heart, diamond. How many club cards? 13 club cards. How many spade cards? 13 spade cards. How many heart shaped cards? 13. Diamond shaped cards are 13. 13 numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards. Now the numbering instead of 1, that 1 is represented by English letter, that is A. A's. Remaining numbers are same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 11 number is represented by English letter J. Ja. 12 number is represented by Queen, that is Q. 13 number is represented by King. No, you mark English letters ಇದೆ, remaining numbers as it is. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ತರ 13 ಸ್ಪೇಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವು, 13 ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವು, 13 ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್, 13 ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಟೋಟಲಿ 4 shapes, 13 club cards, 13 spade cards, 13 heart shaped cards and 13 diamond shaped cards. The heart and diamond cards are red color cards, club and spade are black color cards. Okay, numbering like this. First number represented by A, English letter, remaining number as it is, counting number, and 11 number is denoted by English letter Ja, 12 number is denoted by Queen Q, 13 number is represented by King. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು? Okay. Based on this, now back to the question. Now here E stands for the card drawn is a spade. Now here let S is the sample space. How many playing cards? 52 playing cards. Right? Therefore, total number of playing cards is N of S is equal to 50. Now one by one question. Now first question. E stands for the card drawn is a spade. How many spade cards? ಎಷ್ಟು spade cards? 13 spade cards. Correct? 13 spade cards. So total number of spade card is 13. Therefore, probability of spade card is equal to definition of probability of an event, number of favorable cases and their outcome. Favorable case 13, outcome 52, right? Then further simplify, that is 13 ones are 13 fours are, that equals 1 divided by 4. F stands for the card drawn is an ace. Ace cards ನೋಡಿ 4 ಶೇಪ್ ಇದಾವು, ಕ್ಲಬ್, ಡೈಮಂಡ್, ಹಾರ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಪೇಡ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶೇಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಏಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು? 4 ಏಸ್. Correct? Therefore, total number of favorable cases 4 ace cards. Therefore, probability of an event F is equal to number of favorable cases and their outcome. Favorable case 4, outcome 52, 4 ones are 4 corrections. Right? Now to find common E intersection F. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 13 spade cards. ನೋಡಿ 13 spade cards ಒಳಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎ ಒಂದು ಎ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ. A 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 J Q ಒಂದು ಎ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 1 ಕೇಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಕೇಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Therefore, number of favorable cases in E intersection F is 1. Therefore, probability of E intersection F is equal to number of favorable cases in E intersection F divided by total outcome 1 by 52, right? And P of E into P of F. To find P of E into P of F. What is P of E? P of E is 1 by 40. P of F 1 by 30. That is 1 into 1 1. 13 fours are 52. 1 by 52. Here also 1 by 52. Therefore, P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. Hence, E and F are independent. First question answer. E and F are independent event. Clear? Second one. Same thing. E stands for No, the card drawn is black. How many black cards? 26 black cards. Correct, right? 26 black cards. Total number of black cards is 26. What is probability of black card? Definition of probability of event. Number of favorable cases. How much? 26. Total outcome 52. 26 ones are 26 twos are right. And F stands for the card drawn is a king. King cards. Yes, king cards spade one king irutte, club one king barutte, diamond one king ide, heart shape one king ide. So total king cards 4 king cards. Correct? Therefore, n of f is equal to how many king cards? 4 king cards. Therefore, probability of king cards, number of favorable case 4, outcome is 52, 4 ones are, 4 13s are, right? Then to find E intersection F. Now, to find E intersection F. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ E ಏನಿದೆ 26 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 26 ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು ಎರಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಎರಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಇದರ ಎರಡು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 2 ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 2 ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ so n of E intersection F is equal to 2 therefore probability of E intersection F is equal to number of favorable case 2 total outcome is 52 2 ones are 226 are and P of E into P of F P of E into P of F what is P of E 1 by 2 P of F 1 by 13 that equals 1 divided by 26 are they same yes therefore P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F right we conclude that E and F are what independent event clear students P and E and F are independent events okay similarly third question ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ third question E stands for the card drawn is a king or queen how many king cards 4 king cards correct how many queen cards 4 queen cards so total number of cards in E that is 8 cards what is probability of E probability of E is equal to number of favorable case 8 divide by outcome 52 simplify 4 2s are 4 13s are correct 2 by 13 and F stands for the card drawn is a queen or jack how many queen cards again 4 queen cards how many jack cards again 4 jack cards so total number of cards in F 8 cards therefore probability of F is equal to again favorable case 8 outcome is 52 simplify that is 2 by 13 right now to find E intersection F E intersection F is equal to E ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4 king 4 queen F ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ 4 queen 4 jack ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾಯ್ತು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರೋದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಯಾವುದು 4 queen cards ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 4 queen cards okay now total number of E intersection F how much 4 therefore what is probability of E intersection F number of favorable case is 4 total outcome is 52 2 2s are 2 13s are sorry 4 1s are 4 13 right and P of E into P of F check it what is P of E 2 by 13 right what is P of F what is P of F yesterday 1 by 13 sorry 2 by 13 that is also 2 by 13 correct 2 by 13 that is 4 by 13 13s are 169 check it are they same not same right therefore P of E intersection F is not equal to P of E into P of F. Hence, we conclude that E and F are not independent. Not independent. Third question in Akuri, independent agilla. It is dependent. Clear? So, ಇದನ್ನ solve problem ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. 52 ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಸೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವು. One suit contains 13 cards. Okay, now there are 26 black color cards, 26 red color cards. Now one suit contains 13 cards. There are 4 shapes, namely spade, club, diamond, heart. Heart and diamond are red color cards. Spade and club are black color cards. Now spade 13 cards numbering, one number represented by A, remaining number as it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 number represented by Jack, J, 12 number represented by Q, and 13 number represented by K. Okay, ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ events. Type number 2 over in probability. Next class we will discuss about that is Bayes theorem. That is 3 mark question. Theorem is prove ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Just to remember that statement only. Based on that statement by solving the problems next class. Okay students, thank you.